Remember to look us up on Instagram as well. This is my doggy Boomer. He likes to hang out with us sometimes. Hi guys, I'm Melissa Chanel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm a lifestyle content creator and small business owner here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and this is my office space. So if you follow me, this is the area where I host a lot of meetings. We have our kick bar sessions as well as our full customization date nights or friend nights. This way you'll see all of our merch. So we have our sneaker money pouches, our hats, do-rags, our sneaker cleaner, as well as our tote bags and socks. It's available online, or you can purchase here at our office space here in Camp North End in Charlotte, North Carolina. This behind me is our kick bar area. So if you book with us online, you're able to come in. You have 45 minutes to accessorize your own sneakers. So you bring your own sneakers here, and we have a ton of charms, laces, pins. And now where all the magic happens. So this back here is my office space where I work Tuesday through Friday here at our HQ. So back here is just my computer, the sneakers that Jennifer Hudson customized for me when I was on the Jennifer Hudson show, another pair of Air Force Ones that I get people to sign that have visited our office space, and our signage, really cool art that friends have gifted me. Thank you so much for stopping by our Kicks and Fros HQ. I need to go pack some orders, so I'm gonna head out. But if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. And if you want to learn more about Kicks and Fros, make sure you go to our website, kicksandfros.com, as well as our Instagram, and join our Kicks and Fros gang. Thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all next video. Peace.